Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing another tutorial on Autodesk Tinkercad. Tinkercad is an easy to use web-based 3D modeling software. First, we're going to go onto our Tinkercad dashboard, which I've already signed in, and if you watched my previous video you can see how to make an account and some of the basics. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to create right here, and we're going to create a new 3D design. Once this loads, we're going to rename it to Basic Choo Choo Train. And again, some reminders. This right here is our view cube, and then over here we have our shape tools. We're going to put measurements in, although I'm not really planning to use them heavily in this tutorial. So first, what we want to do is our train needs a body. So we're going to go ahead and put a cube in, and I guess we'll make it a good rectangular prism. So we'll make it, let's say, 100 millimeters long. We'll make it, let's say, 40 wide. That looks okay. And then height-wise, we will go ahead and make it 40 as well. Then I think what we'll do is we'll raise it up a little bit for now while we do our wheels. So next, we're going to make our wheels. So let's grab some of these cylinders with holes in them. That makes life a little easier. And then we'll rotate them on a 90 degree or 88 because it doesn't want to listen. Then we'll raise this up as well a little bit. I think what we'll do then is we'll make these a little wider. So let's say 40 maybe, see how that looks. Make it 40 tall as well. They're a little big, but that's okay. And then 10 is a good depth for them, I think. Then we'll grab one of our regular cylinders here as well. Put that at a 90 degree angle. And then I think what we're going to do here is we're going to kind of do the same thing. We're going to put it inside of this one so we can make it look a little better. And then we're going to change our depth to, we'll say 5, we'll make it half. Then we're going to need to drag this up so that it's mostly level. We'll get that as close to center as we can really do it here. Okay, great. And then we're going to change our color on the center, I guess. We'll do blue, just for funsies. And we'll make the outer ring here. We'll do pink. We'll make that the color palette of our train. Now I'm going to go ahead and group these together so they stay together. I'm not going to bother with trying to fix the color thing, but sometimes it doesn't like to work and make it multicolor. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste so we can have 2 on this side, and then I'll do the same thing again. And I'm copying and pasting with my Control C and Control V keys, although you can do it using the copy and paste tools in the top left of the Tinkercad software. So on this other side though, I'm going to have to flip my wheel around. So we're going to grab this right here and we'll do 180. I'm going to copy and paste that, and now we have 2 more wheels. Great. Then we'll change the color of this. We'll make this one blue. And then next, let's see here. We're going to add this guy to the top right here. So we'll flip him around, and we'll make this, what did we say before? I think it was 40. Maybe not that one. I think it was the others, though, for sure. 40 wide, yeah, okay. And then this was 100 in length, I believe. I do believe. So now maybe we should cut the front part off, actually. I'm not really thinking about the shape too well, but the steam stack in the front, I think, is lower than the actual cabin. So, well, how about we just shorten it then, and we'll add to the front. That might be easier. We'll make this 60 instead. Wonderful. Okay, I'm going to finish the cabin before we attach the wheels, though. So then I guess we'll add another cube here. Or yeah, we'll add a cube. And we'll make it 40 wide again. and we will make it not as tall though, and we'll only make it 40 forward as well. Let's go with, we can do a perfect, maybe not. Oh, just deleted it, didn't mean to do that. Here, we'll make it 25 tall, that looks appropriate. And then we'll do another one of these top roofs. I think that looks really nice on the main model. So we'll do a 40 by 40 guy right here. And we'll make him blue as well. And then we'll highlight. And highlighting, it keeps the colors pretty nice. So I think we'll keep that color palette on him. Okay, so now we're aligned that way. And we're mostly aligned there. I think it looks okay. And then now we'll make our stack. So for our steam to come out of on the front. So I'm going to lower this in a little bit. And then we're just going to make it taller, I think. Maybe a little less tall. It's a little tall. Then we'll make this pink too. Then we can have some fun colors happening. And then let's see, we have to make our cow catcher on the front. This wedge looks like it actually would be really nice for that. So here, we'll make another one, get it on the front here. We'll make this nice and level. Maybe we'll shorten it a little bit. We'll make this 10 tall. And then we'll make this 40 wide, so it's spreading out on the whole front. And then we will make it, maybe we'll make this one pink as well. Make it match. Then we'll add some like little windows maybe on the sides here. So we'll set this to be maybe 15 in height. And then in terms of the width here, I think 20 is okay. I think that's appropriate. And then we'll set this inside. We'll set this to 2 so it doesn't go in that deep. Then what we'll do is we will copy and paste. Then we can have 2 windows. And then we will make the windows, let's make them white. And then that'll match. And then we will copy and paste again. Oh, don't want to do that. Redo that. Oh, that made it a very weird orientation. Okay. There we go. Got it. And then we'll put another one over here. And then try and copy and paste again right here, and we'll put more windows on. Then I'm going to raise my wheels and align them up as best I can on here. I might have to recopy and paste to adjust my wheels just a little bit. Maybe not though. We can do it in here. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust them with copy and paste. We'll do that. That's easier. And then we'll raise this guy up in the front. And our wheels are a little lopsided, but that's okay. This is just to demonstrate how some of the blocks can be used to go together. And we'll put him right there. Maybe not. Lining this up is a little difficult. Okay, that looks okay. We'll delete him and we'll copy and paste him right there. Pull this one out a little bit. Okay, and then we have our basic train. And then also, if you really wanted to, you could group it all together. I'm gonna just I'll group it real quick just to show you. Now it's all one color. But yeah, we still have our depth, right? And in theory, like, you could 3D print this if you really wanted to, and then also you could use it to maybe make a whole train, whatever. This is just kind of a basic go at it. This is a non-functional version, obviously, but you could definitely do this where you're putting exact holes, and then you're also maybe just putting the axles, and you're actually making it so the wheels could turn. You can do all kinds of things with this type of stuff. But this is just to demonstrate the kinds of builds you can make in Tinkercad very easily. So I'm going to ungroup this again just to bring my colors back, because I think the colors really make it pop. And then we're going to just lower this down so it's down here. And, well, there you have it. Tinkercad train. Okay, with that being said, I'm going to close out the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Comment if you want more content like this. And I'll see you next time.